everyone, welcome to Kitty's Boxes. I almost said Kitty Rising because I was just filming a tarot reading with the overhead setup, and now we're doing an unboxing video. So welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up Moon Spell Box. So this is not a subscription, but they do come out with a box every month with a new spell. It's super awesome. So you can pick and choose when you want one of their spell boxes based on your current life circumstances, etc., which I really appreciate. So you can also purchase past boxes, so moonspellbox.com. I will link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated. It's $9.99 when you get your first box, so definitely check them out if you're interested. As with all of my unboxings, with all the subscription boxes I open, there are playlists, so you can go check out past ones if you want to see more. So let's get this open. I think this is great for people just getting into spell work, as also those who have been in it for a while. You get everything you need, and you also get the spell all written out so you can save it and put it in your grimoire, Book of Shadows. So here are all of the items. So what spell are we doing this month? We have Cleansing Spell. This spell combines your energy and intentions with soothing herbs and plants to create a delicious and purifying potion. The intention is to detox your body and promote health and wellness within your body and mind. So then I'll talk about what we have in here. So let's take a look at that. Let's look at this first. So we have by Green River, or is that what it's called? Organic Herbal Blend Green River Herbal Cleansing. So the ingredients: organic lemon balm, organic dandelion root, and organic thyme. Okay, yeah, Green River is the manufacturer. Look at this one. So we have a big bag here in a resealable pouch, which is very convenient. I think this will taste great. Love tea, and I love the idea behind this. I've actually just been thinking about how I want to do a little fast and a cleanse. So I think I will definitely use this tea as part of that and make it a whole spiritual, magical experience. So we have this extra sticker, so cute. Thank you, Moonspell Box. I love this. Oh my gosh, where should I put that? It's so cute. And then I'm going to put the box to the side, and let's take a look at what else we have here. And you can keep this sachet for other spell workings if you want. So we have a little cute spoon, some tea bags. Ooh, is this jasper? Leopard skin jasper. Oh, I love this. So we have a stone here as well. Hopefully you guys can see it okay. So let's read the ritual now. So I'm going to be reading off the paper. You can look at the items. I'm going to hold this closer to me. So we have 6 steps here along with the incantation. But again, let's make sure we have all the ingredients that we listed. So the custom organic cleansing tea blend from Green River Herbal. And again, it contains lemon balm, dandelion root, and thyme. I think that's great, especially dandelion root. I know that's really good at cleansing and liver detox as well. I love herbalism. This is a great refresher or reminder for me to look into my resources and learn more about each herb. And I think that would be great for everyone else to do too as part of your practice when you're doing this. And then we get the tea bags, teaspoon, and leopard skin jasper. So the ritual, step 1. Take 3 deep breaths and center yourself. Focus on a healing and cleansing energy. Surround yourself with this energy and set your intentions. Use the leopard skin jasper to amplify the energy if you desire. And also when you get new crystals, it seems like we get a crystal in each spell. Then you can look into the properties of the crystal, document that, and learn more about it and use it in other ways. This one's so pretty. I love it. Jasper. Oh. Leopard skin jasper. I don't know if I have any of this. I'm super excited, so I'm definitely going to look into the properties of that as well. I love subscriptions and items like this that inspire me to get more into my practice. This is definitely one that does so. But all right, so step number 2, place desired amount of tea blend into a tea bag. You place the tea bag in your favorite mug, hold your hands over the mug, and repeat the cleansing incantation, charging the tea with your healing energy. So the cleansing incantation is, every little cell in my body is healthy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy and healthy and well. I love that. So you bring water to a rolling boil, pour it over your cup and the herbs, and you allow it to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Use this time to relax, stretch, or give yourself a light massage. Love that. Use your teaspoon to stir clockwise, infusing both the steeped tea and your intentions into the hot water. And you repeat the cleansing incantation again, and then remove and dispose of the tea bag. Relax as you sip and enjoy your tea. Inhale the aromas. Feel the healing energy from both the herbs and your intentions cleansing your entire body. Visualize every part of your body being cleansed. Carry this feeling with you for the rest of the day. Save your unused tea blend to repeat as often as you wish. I love that. I was going to say we get a good amount here, so you can do this multiple times. So here is what I was reading from. So you see what I mean, how you can save this and reference it later, especially since you have enough supplies with this month to do this multiple times. And you have multiple tea bags as well. Let's see how many are in here. Looks like there are 3 here. Nice. But I think you have more than 3 servings too, which is amazing. So that's awesome. I'm excited because I literally was thinking about this earlier today, how I want to do like a 2-day cleanse just to reset my gut biome because I just feel bloated lately and I just feel like I need something to reset it and get going. I do intermittent fasting, but I want to do a little bit of a longer one, and this is I'm really going to incorporate into my little cleansing ritual I'm going to be doing. I was going to do it Monday and Tuesday, but you should only as a female, as a woman with a menstrual cycle, you're only supposed to fast certain times of your cycle. So I'm gonna wait probably another week and then I'm gonna do all of this. So this is super amazing. I love how everything's so synchronistic, you know, when I was just thinking about this and then I get this cleansing spell. It is perfect timing. Super excited about this. So thank you, Moonspellbox, for sending this to me. Thank you all for being here. Again, check out moonspellbox.com, link down below if you're interested in this spell or any of their past spells. Highly recommend. It's been super fun and inspiring. Love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you again for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And if you're into tarot, please check out my second channel, Kitty Rising, which I always link in the description, where I do pick a card readings 5 days a week. It would really mean a lot to me if you check that out. Thank you in advance. And thank you guys again for being here. I love you so much. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. And I will see you in the next video.